In this video, let me explain the topics covered in the human resource audit or approaches to human resource audit and benefits of human resource audit. First, let us see the approaches of human resource audit. Several approaches are there, but the major 5 approaches of human resources audit are explained here. First one, comparative approach, outside authority approach, statistical approach, compliance approach, and management by objectives approach. First, comparative approach. In this approach, an auditor should choose a competitive organization as a model for comparison. After chosen that, auditor reports are compared with the organization which was chosen by him. The next one, outside authority approach. In this approach, standards of audit set by outside consultants can be used by the audit team for comparison with their own results. Next, statistical approach. Statistical approach is also known as quantitative and qualitative approach. In this method, usually uses statistical tools and information recorded in the organization system. The recorded information may be your employee turnover, payroll, and absenteeism, etc. In this method, checking and auditing of employees can be done with the help of mathematical data as a base. If there is any mistakes can be identified and corrected from an early stage. Next, compliance approach. It is an approach based on legal and organization's policies. In this method, standards, policies, procedures will be auditing whether it all comes under the legal requirements or not. Next one, management by objectives. This is MBO approach. This is a goal and objective based approach. In this approach, the audit team conducts a survey of the actual performance, then it will be compare that performance with the objectives of the organization. Next, we move on to benefits of human resource audit. There are so many benefits associated with the human resource audit. Let me explain few now. First, it helps to find out the proper contribution to the HR department regarding the organization activities. Next, it will reduces the human resource cost. It will also helps to find out the problems and solve them smoothly. It could also provide timely legal requirement to solve the issues which is arises in the organization. It could also clarify the HR duties and responsibilities. With this explanation, approaches and benefits of human resource audit has been covered. Thank you all.